Hello everyone. Wow, I'm extremely happy right now. I just cannot believe it. Look at this, guys. Shiny Jirachi. RNG work, very difficult to do. But yeah, this is 100% legit. There you go. This is from, yeah, there you go. Like I told you guys, if I can throw money at it, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna attempt it. We got some Rayquaza action over here, gold star. Yes, sir. And then of course you got to do it in style. I'm my GameCube Wavebird controller. It's still on right now. GameCube's playing. There's some of the work, scratch pad, pontification, targets. You know, shit's real, guys. But Jirachi, shiny baby. Wow. There's a few videos on how to do this in RNG. It's very difficult. I don't even know where to start. Some might question here. I'm going to just put this down because I'm shaking because it's 3 days of extremely hard work and calibration and all of that stuff. So yeah, Naughty Nature. I forget his name. He's there's only a couple of these on YouTube. Papa Jefe or something like that. But I followed his instructions, used his tools. There's also Professor Rex or something like that. He has more tools. But yeah, between the both of them, I figured everything out. And here you go, guys. You can turn those EVs into IVs and figure out that this is legitimately from the CD. Extremely difficult RNG. There's a full run so you can see what it takes. It's crazy. You have to hit you have to get a specific trainer ID. Then you've got to hit your particular starter if you want to do a shiny. Not necessary, but you want to target something that's really powerful. Then you've got to beat May without powering up your Pokemon, your starter. And then you've got this you've got to encounter 3 wild Pokemon, hopefully not a Wingull. Calibrate a tool so that you know how to set up your options just before you save at the professor's lab after you get your Pokédex and all that and your Pokeballs. And stuff happens and all of a sudden you get the right seed and you get hopefully the Jirachi you want. For me, it's this naughty Jirachi. But yeah, guys, this took for freaking ever. Extremely complicated. This shiny I was targeting was a sassy Torchic. I hit him 3 times, never got the shiny Jirachi after. I might do a video after just to get them both, but I think I'm satisfied for now. Yes, guys. Shiny Jirachi. And you know what? Yeah, I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. I got to give you a little bit of value for watching this. We're 3 minutes into this, and I'm going to show you some things to show you that this isn't bullshit, guys. See, I battled May. Never even had an opportunity to get out of the professor's lab. This is unbelievable. This is crazy, guys. And the way you know this is not bullshit, first of all, no bootlegs, guys. No bootlegs. This is being done on my Sapphire Cart, being played on AGS-101 Game Boy Advance SP. This is the one you want to get. This has got the amazingly bright screen. And that fat fucker right there body blocked me one time. Not cool. But watch, you see my mom? You see mom? Yeah, she hasn't even given me my shoes yet, so I can't even go to a Poke Center and trade yet. So there you go. You see my funny name. But yeah, that name was required to be able to hit my seed and all of that mess. It's crazy. So I'll let you do that research. I'll put the links in my description. So let me get my running shoes and all right, Mom, come on. Thank you, Mom. Too bad I can't do all of that with one hand. All right. I'm jamming to this Jirachi music, guys. Holy shit. Alright, I wanted you to see all of that to show you that this is not bullshit. Because I'm not able to film my full run. It's just too difficult, and besides my room's a hot mess. Well, my man cave is. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and do the switcherooski. This is all for you guys, man. 3 days of my time, I mean solid 3 days. I've been staying up till like 5 a.m. to do this shit because, you know, with the family and stuff, you can't, you know, you have to spend time with them. Alright guys, here you go. Oh, here, let me turn on some music. There you go, guys. Shiny Jirachi. Man, I'm still in shock, but anyways, there he is. I'm gonna enjoy him. Hopefully you guys enjoyed him as well. That essentially is the last Pokemon I needed to complete the full Ho Index. I completed the one just required to get the Johto starters, but that's 202 Hoenn Pokemon, all shiny for me for my decks. All RNG'd, but still legit in-game Pokemon. Very difficult to do. Took essentially from the beginning of the year till now, and here we are, guys. So hopefully you enjoy. Over and out. Peace.